Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what I found on the daily frame and to do the update from my previous forecast and yesterday, we found that there is a potential for the upside continuation, and after yesterday's event in the US, we had basically a bigger range candle. You can see here in the 2-hour time frame, but market actually found buyers held here, and so we got like higher lows, and we can see now today that we are trading and doing the consolidation around the previous day high. Watching the higher time frames, we can clearly see that the next major pivot based on a daily frame is set around 134.25. So there is still potential for the 100 pips higher, speaking of the short-term perspective. So my advice still to watch for buying opportunities on the intraday tips with the first short-term objective at the 134.25. If we speak about the gold market, the market is resolving exactly how we planned. So yesterday we found that there was a breakout on the 4-hour time frame. There was a bear flag, and market just hit a consolidation. And after a while, we got this sell-off, and this morning we can see that market is trading lower. So we can check here, and then next important downside area, I will say we have a consolidation area around 1785. So there is still plenty of the space for the gold to go lower, and even for the market to go towards 1785 mark. So sellers are in control on the gold market. The US dollar is strong. Dollar index is also rallying. So we see that dollar strength, and also gold is progressing well since our last forecast on the gold market. So still watch for selling opportunities on the rallies, and the main downside objective, I will say, and the main reference point to the downside is at 1785. Speaking of the crude oil market, is still in this well-defined trading range, and you can see the many weeks we traded between the 83 mark and I will say 72 mark. So the market is right now in the middle of this trading range, and I will still watch for potential breakout, for the bigger breakout of this trading range. If the market can break the downside, so if the market can clear 72 mark, then it can open the door for 62.50 and to be on the test. The market can clear 82 or 83 mark and hold above, then we can see a potential test of 93 mark. So watch for the breakout of this well-defined trading range. Speaking of the Bitcoin, we also saw that there is a breakout of the trading range on a daily time frame. At this stage, market did rally of this low area, but we found the resistance around 22,300 mark. We can see now that the market is trading inside the previous day range, but for now, I will say there is a still chance for lower prices. And watch for the downside rotation on the Bitcoin and eventual retest of 21,400 mark, or even test of 20,600 mark. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.